It's not every day that 1982 Harley Sturgis comes into the shop, and it's definitely not every day that the original owner still owns it and rides it. So this thing is one of my favorite bikes to work on. He had this thing sitting in his garage for about 10 years, and we went through and put new tires on it, new oil lines. We went through it and cleaned the carburetor out, got him running again. Didn't really need a whole lot. This thing really wants to run. It's only got 19,000 original miles on it. And then 3 years ago, he let it sit again, and then here it is. So I'm pretty much the only one that's really worked on this bike. And it is beautiful. You know, it's a driver. It's not a showpiece, but it's still in very good condition. All the original paint on the bike still. He does have the original handlebars. He actually bought these at the dealership when he bought the bike. He lived in Florida at the time when he bought this in '82. And I was going to show, this is an '82. He said someone's actually stole the emblem that belonged on the front fender, and there's the hole where it used to be. Has the original red rally stripe, aluminum wheels. It does have the twin belt drive. And this is a shovelhead, guys, an 80-inch. Pretty darn cool with a 4-speed. Definitely a cool color choice for them in the early 80s. Supposedly, in '82, this is when the owners of Harley and some investors bought the company from AMF. So this is like their quintessential model. It's a really good looking bike. I love working on this thing when it comes in. And there's, you know, it's a kicker, 4-speed, super cool. He does have the original ceramic coated exhaust too that would have come on the bike. And he's also got the original bread box, air cleaner in the Harley. I believe it was a CV carb. He put this Super B S&S on here. It doesn't have an accelerator pump. You know, it really kind of has a little hesitation, but it goes good. I love this bike. It's super cool, guys. Just figured I'd show it off to you. I gotta do a little more work to it to get him back on the road. But I'd like to show it off too. It's got the original tack. 19,000 miles. How cool is that? And she's been driven, guys. You can see there the lettering's all wore off the starter button.
All right, that it?
There you go. Turn the fuel on.
Not shiny. Not been this shiny since last time you had it.
Your headlight's not on.
I don't.
Sounds good.